Today we're going to be making amazing food. Let's get to it! So first we start off with the essentials, just like Mama used to say. We start off with a chicken. Amazing. Human hair. Just a little extra pop. Some popcorn. Salt. Now mix vigorously.
Now for the secret ingredient.
Off to the stove we go.
It's working. It lives. Oh no!
And I'm cooking with Jenna.